In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. Wanna win the game of life? Just one key. Most people consider life a battle, but it is not a battle, it's a game. Happiness is the secret sauce that can help us be and do our best. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you will be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. Believe in yourself, take on your challenges, and dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Health is wealth. Succeeding at the game of life requires 1. Developing the good habits, the skills, and the resources that you need to thrive. 2. Discipline. Without discipline, successful life is impossible to reach. 3. Dedicating yourself to something worthwhile. This is your higher purpose, or in other words, your personal legend. To be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. 4. Dedicating yourself to daily growth and to learning from experience from other people, from mistakes, and from failure. 5. Being influential. Influential people have a greater impact on others because they can provide value to other people, they have more connections, and therefore receive more opportunities. 6. Taking full responsibility for your life choices, decisions, and actions without complaining, blaming, or making excuses. Self belief and hard work will always earn you success. 7. Cultivating curiosity each and every day. 8. Asking insightful questions about your life problems and circumstances. 9. Remaining flexible and open minded to new perspectives, ideas, and opinions. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Don't wait for opportunities, create them. If you want to be happy, don't dwell in the past, don't worry about the future, and focus on living fully in the present. 10. Holding true to your highest core values. Stay organized and better manage your time. 11. Making the requisite short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. 12. Feeling good about yourself and taking pride in what you do. 13. Maintaining a healthy mind, body, and spirit. Build a happy lifestyle. 14. Overcoming unhelpful thoughts, beliefs, habits, and fears that are holding you back from living life in an optimal way. 15. Choosing to fight and stand up for your values, beliefs, and convictions. 16. Avoiding getting caught up in the cycle of procrastination and instant gratification. 17. Fully accepting that life isn't always fair and it can be uncertain. It is full of banana skins and is perpetually changing. Always stay true to what makes you unique. Preparation time is never wasted time. The spiritual law 1. What you give, you will receive. If you give hate, you will receive hate. If you give love, you will receive love. If you give criticism, you will receive criticism. If you lie, you will be lied to. If you cheat, you will be cheated. The spiritual law 2. The mind is everything. What you think you become. Mind power, the power of thoughts. Mind power is one of the strongest and most useful powers you possess. This power, together with your imagination, can create success or failure, happiness or unhappiness, opportunities or obstacles. This depends on your mindset. God never said that the journey would be easy, but He did say that the arrival would be worth the while. What is the secret key of the game? Happiness is the secret key of the game. It isn't what you have, or who you are, or where you are, or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It's what you think about it. Safety, faithfulness, commitment, and reliability are four pillars of trust every marriage needs. If any one of these is missing, the roof starts caving in and the relationship starts to deteriorate. What are the rules of happiness? One, it choose the selfless spouse. Choosing the wrong life partner can destroy your whole life. It's possible to fall in love with somebody who doesn't treat you well, or who makes you feel worse about yourself, who doesn't hold the same respect for you as you do for them. It's possible to fall in love with somebody who sucks for you and your happiness. If you can control your mind, you can find the way to enlightenment, and all wisdom and virtue will naturally come true. What kind of love is needed for marriage? When it comes to marital bliss, selflessness is the key. Spouses who are selfless in their dealings with each other will not only make their loved ones happier, but they will make themselves happier as well. Even small acts of kindness for each other will go a long way. Love those who love you. 2, let go of negative thoughts. 3, let go of toxic people who don't know your value. 4, set clear goals. 5, have faith in God, in yourself, and in the path you have chosen. Let God be your strength. 6, make a plan and eat healthy. 7, fill your life with things you love. 8, forget the past and live in the present. 9, sleep with gratitude. 10, overcome lust. It is destructive. Avoiding seduction can help you manage your desires. Don't dwell on mistakes made in your life because they are going to happen. Keep going forward, learn from slip ups, and persevere into the future. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Never allow life to lead you rather than you leading it. Never allow age to deter you from setting new goals or dreams which you may have. It's time to kick out the autopilot. Discover what motivates you and causes you to speed up. Don't allow negative thoughts to undermine your future. Look for areas where you can serve, lead, and teach. Expect to have an impact and bless many people. Don't try to be someone else. You are you. It's not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. I have surrendered to the Lord of the worlds. بريك عليك سيد أبو المجد.